Hi everyone, how you can connect calling system on any smartwatch. When you open phone app on your smartwatch, appear like this screen on your smartwatch. To make and receive calls on your smartwatch, unlock your phone and swipe down from the top right edge. Tap on Bluetooth icon. Turn off and on Bluetooth. If device is not found here, make sure turn on Bluetooth on watch. If not, then swipe down from the top on your smartwatch. Turn on Bluetooth for calls. Smartwatch name appear on your phone under the Bluetooth section. Tap on it. Tap on pair. Tap on done. Now you can make or receive calls on your smartwatch. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.